trying to get frostbite on your toes, girl, because that ain't cute. Look how it makes my calves look like cows. Like, girl, what? Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chef V. If you're new to this channel, welcome, wagwan to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean family. Make sure you are subscribed down below. I don't even remember which side it's on, but make sure you're subscribed. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a boot slash shoe try on haul, and the boots that I got are from Boohoo and Fashion Nova, so I have about a equal mix. My size in shoes, they range depending on the fit and the type of shoes. In heels, I'll go for a size 7.5, that in between. And for boots, I need room, so I'll go for a size 8. Also, with thigh-high boots, it gets tricky when you have thicker thighs to get thigh-high boots. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the boots that I got. I go for the typical nude type colors like the browns and the blacks because I feel like they go with everything. And the boots that I got for you guys are affordable boots that are essential for this type of season. So are you guys ready to get into this haul? Let's get it. Okay guys, now our first pair is from Fashion Nova, and this is a high-rise heel in tan. Now I got these in a size 8 because I wanted to make sure that I had room for my toes, and also because I wear thicker socks in the winter time so that my toes doesn't freeze, girl. I don't want no crusty toes. So in the description on Fashion Nova, it says there is a memory foam insole inside the shoes. Honestly, I don't feel that much difference to other heels that I've worn or other boots with heels. It does feel a tad bit softer, but there's like not much of a difference. I wear heels like that, okay? I'm not one of them girls that be wearing heels everywhere, but I just feel like you need a brown pair of boots with heels because they literally go with everything. So it has the ties in the back, and this is just to keep the shoe on your thighs. Honestly, it feels comfortable. There was no hassle to get into the boots. Now it is a 4-inch heel. I am most comfortable in a 3-inch heel, so yeah, these definitely are not something I would like walk around in. The material is really cute and the detail on the shoe is popping. Now these next pair of boots are from Boohoo, and this is the flat tie back thigh high boots. Now let me just say this, putting on these boots were a hassle. If you have thicker thighs than mine, especially bigger calf muscles, girl, no, this boot is not for you at all. So it has this like little detail here in the side of the boot, like a stitching that is preventing the shoe from going any further up. I feel like it could have been way higher on the thighs, but right here is just like the limit to where the boots can be pulled up. Maybe it is to prevent the boots from sliding down all the way to your ankles, but I feel like they could have put it somewhere else, maybe a little bit higher, but this just don't make no sense. Look how it makes my calves look like cows. Like, girl, what? And it's still cute though. I'm gonna keep it, but I just feel like it could have been higher, and it's squeezing the shit out of my calf, so I'm gonna pull it down some more. It also has the ties in the back to tighten on your thighs from Fashion Nova. It is called the Wish You the Best Heel Sandals in Nude. So there's two other colors. There's a gray and there's a black. Now I feel like these type of shoes are like a staple that you should have in your closet because they literally go with everything. I know it's fall and it's winter, but on certain days with certain outfits, boots just don't go, and you need like a pair of heels that you get in your car, you get out, you get to the venue that you're getting to, and then in and out. In the winter, you're not trying to get frostbite on your toes, girl, because that ain't cute. You're not planning to walk the streets in the winter in these shoes, but they are really comfortable. It's a 4-inch heel. Now these boots are from Boohoo, and they are called the Croc Knee High Boots. So I got these in a size 8, and the fit of these shoes are so comfortable, and the look is so cute for an everyday wear type shoe. Now I love the crocodile print in the front, and also it has this stretchy material in the back for them big ass calves that I have. So if you have cows in the back like I do, this shoe is perfect for you. As you can see, there's still a lot more room in there with the stretch so that it gives a comfortable fit. Now, I think there's about 1 inch heel on this, so it's still comfortable for walking and just standing in. It also feels like it has almost like a memory foam sole in there, so it's not just like a hard feel when you're standing in these shoes. Okay, beautiful people, we have another pair from Boohoo. Now this is the tall fit block heel over the knee boots, and I just feel like everybody should have a pair of leather boots in their closet. Like, leather boots are just it. They're freaking bomb. Now there was a slight struggle to get these boots to go higher. As you guys can see, it's a little bit draped up going down, but I couldn't get it to go any further up because it's a little bit too tight right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I don't know what's up with Boohoo and their fitting on the thighs. Like, maybe they should try on their boots on some thicker girls to just make sure that shit actually fits. You know what I'm saying? We shouldn't have to be suffering to get some good pair of shoes. So the zipper is long enough where you could easily fit into the shoes, but the only problem is just after it gets over your knee to have it to look actually like a thigh high, because when you have thicker thighs, it's not really thigh high boots. Like, it stops right over the knee, which isn't thigh high. These boots I think are about 3 inches tall, which is perfect for me, so I will be able to walk around in this comfortably. These boots are from Fashion Nova and they're called You Made Your Choice boots, and there's 2 colors. There's a black version and this color to these boots. I got these in a size 8 and they're 3.5 inches tall, which is also a perfect comfortable fit for me. I don't know about them extra 0.5 inches that just makes a break for me that I can't walk in for too long. Now the only reason why I got like 2 different types of like brownish tan type colors, because I feel like with certain outfits the type of brown could really make or break the outfit with the boots. So I decided to get 2 colors so that, you know, better fit whichever outfit that I'm working with my boots. So they're fitting comfortable. Also, the zippers come a little bit lower under the calf, so but it's still comfortable fit, and it is a block heel. And also fitting on the thighs, it does not have the tie thingamajig in the back, but it fits the thigh really well. Now these next pair of shoes is from Boohoo, and this is called the Wide Fit Block Heel Knee Boots. Now let me just say, I need to go to the Boohoo headquarters with a sign that says thick thighs matter. This isn't even on my thigh, but once the zipper gets to zipping up here, it is so freaking tight. I feel like I'm about to zip my skin inside the boot. Like, it's supposed to be wide at the very end here, like at the, what's this called, the rim of the boots. Why does it feel so tight on my calf muscle? This is supposed to be wider. Now these boots are trending this season. I love the look of the shoe. I just wish here was a bit wider because it tends to feel slightly uncomfortable. Like when I do this, I don't know, just something is just really weird fitting with these shoes. Also, the heels are about 3 inches high. I have a love-hate relationship with them right now. They feel comfortable but uncomfortable at the same time. Okay guys, now we are down to our final pair of boots, and this is from Fashion Nova, and it is called the Kiana Thigh High Boots in black. So there's 2 other colors, a red and a nude color. Now I got these in a size 8. They were a little bit tricky, I'm gonna be honest with you, to get in because they're like a sock type heel. So the material on the boots is very stretchy, so it is thick thigh friendly because it went on over the thighs like butter. It was so smooth to get over the thighs. The problem came when it was to put the foot, or put your foot in this part of the shoe. Like, you have to like really navigate to get your feet into the shoe and fit properly in the soles. I ain't the best at walking in heels, so this is basically for fashion, just for a fit that needs a bomb ass pair of black boots. You know what I'm saying? So it's just for show. I won't be walking in it for any periods of time because I can't, My ankles will be screaming and hollering, my calves will be crying, and my heels will be screaming. Pointed in the front, and of course it's stiletto heels. It says 4 inches, so if you can walk in heels, 4 inches shouldn't be anything for you, but for people like me, it's suicide mission. Yeah, they're hella cute. Now, as you guys can see, since I've been putting it on, it does slide, so it might just be that my tights and the shoes together is just causing that slippery type of motion, but overall these boots are just freaking fire. Okay, beautiful people, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out in my changing room with me today. Let me know which boots was your favorite, which one you definitely see yourself wearing. Just comment, spam the comment section. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, like the video, and share it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damthatschev. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys. Mwah.